Good afternoon, everybody. It's Thomas Wood with Microquant here, and what I want to do is give a quick follow-up on the DAX and a short we had in the trading room last week, and basically what it's done today, because it went all the way down and hit our longer-term profit target for the DAX, the secondary profit target we had. Now, we had a bearish divergence on our weekly charts in the DAX, so we had a bearish outlook on the DAX. Then we had what we call a golf club here, where we had a big sell-off and then a rally with a couple of higher lows in a row. And then back here on the 6th of March, we said, okay, it's a short. We stopped just above the high. And we said first profit target would be the uptrend line here on the dailies. And then we said if we break through that trend line, and on Friday we did break through the trend line, we said, okay, it's another short from there. So if you covered right here on the trend line and then re-entered on the break, you only gave up about a point or two worth of profit. And if you held it the entire time, then you were still in good shape and it continued to move down. And we said the second profit target for that short was on the lows, or on a trend line coming up across our weekly lows right here. You can see we actually went down and hit that today. Now, if you held that short the entire time here, you ended up making over the course of about a week, half a week, about 3 or 4 trading days, you ended up being up around $11,500, $12,000 a contract. So not a bad trade at all. Now, one thing you have to keep in mind with the DAX is this is a very large contract, so it does take a lot of margin to get into a position with it. But so far that worked out really well, went exactly where we thought it would. Now we're watching to see if it's going to end up breaking through this weekly trend line here. If it does, then we're looking for it to come all the way down to about 9,000 level later this week. So that's all I have for you today. Make sure you're keeping an eye on the DAX. Watch for it to break the weekly trend line if it does. If you were looking for that secondary profit target, if you held onto the shorts from a while ago, you're in good shape with it. Again, that's it for today. I hope it helps. And until next time, happy trading.